Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change text to speech voice on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your TikTok app and tap on this plus icon. Now record a video. Also you can upload a video or photo from your gallery. So I'm going to capture a video here, and after that, and then tap on text and add here your text. And now you can change the text style. You can also change the text color and tap on this A icon to change the text format. And once you're happy with your text, tap on done to the right hand corner of the screen. And you can also resize the text. You can change the position of the text. Okay, now tap on your text and you'll need to select here text to speech. And once you select it, TikTok will automatically convert your text to speech. So for example, I'm going to tapping on text to speech.
Hello world. Hello world.
So as you can see, I've successfully converted text to speech. Now tap on next, and now you'll be able to post your video. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.